Weld Checker is a real-time quality management equipment for arc and resistance welding process. We have been supplying a total of 5 types of systems in customized format to match the diversity of the welding processes of our customers. Spot welding monitoring system is described as follows. Spot welding line is connected to the temperature, pneumatic pressure, voltage, and current sensors which send signals to the measurement device. The weld checker that receives the signals transforms the signals into digitalized data and transmits them to the dedicated SW access and manages the system through the application SW. Robot Controller, PLC, delivers the model start to stop or reset signals to the measurement device and enables temporary stop in middle of operation when welding errors occur when receiving NG signal and interlock signal. In addition, it transmits the digital input-output signal to the welder checker through a diverse range of communication formats. Real-time Welding Quality Management SW receives the welding measurement data from the measurement device and manages the quality for each of the welding spots and the phases of the sending current. At the same time, it is equipped with a built-in comprehensive management system for manufacturing status information, daily inspection table, standard work manual, and recording of prevention, preservation, and test results, etc. Arc Welding Monitoring System is equipped with arc welding line, which is connected to the gas flux sensor, current sensor, and voltage sensor that transmits signals to the measurement device. The weld checker confirms and manages the functions on the following measurement and management items. The Robot Controller, PLC, of the Arc Welding Monitoring System, which is similar to the Spot Monitoring System, can not only temporarily stop the operation when welding errors occur, but also provides a diverse range of communication